Every journey holds a story. Each step leads us to new atmospheres, new sights, and experiences that are never the same. Today, we begin an adventure, exploring the beauty that often goes unnoticed in the rush of everyday life. Before us lies a city full of life. Tall buildings rise proudly toward the sky, standing as silent witnesses to time and change. Highways and roads stretch and connect like living veins, filled with a rhythm that never stops. From above, everything looks neatly woven together, beautiful, vibrant, and truly breathtaking. But behind the busy streets, there is a quiet side waiting to be felt. Trees growing between buildings, parks that bring fresh air, and wide blue skies remind us that comfort exists anywhere, if we take a moment to see it. Every corner of the city carries its own charm. There are bridges connecting different worlds, elevated roads leading to places we've never been, and rows of buildings that tell stories of culture and history. Everything blends together, creating a harmony between modern life and tradition. As we continue the journey, the scenery starts to shift. The bustling roads slowly give way to greener spaces. Tall buildings fade into forests and rivers flowing calmly beneath. From this transition, we learn that travel isn't only about reaching a destination, it's about appreciating every moment in between. The gentle breeze, the peaceful sounds of nature, and the sunlight touching the city, all of it brings a sense of renewal. This is why many people choose to travel, to feel alive again, to rediscover themselves, and to see the world from a different perspective. Whether we realize it or not, every journey leaves a mark on us. There are memories we carry home, stories we share, and lessons that quietly shape the way we see life. This journey is not just about discovering new places, but about giving ourselves space to pause, to breathe deeply, and to feel free. In a world that moves so fast, moments like this become precious gifts. As the sun begins to set, the city reveals another beautiful side. Lights turn on, the night awakens, and the atmosphere becomes warm and inviting. There's something magical about seeing a city glow from a distance, like thousands of stories, beginning at once. The journey may be coming to an end, but its beauty will stay within us. The sights we've witnessed today become more than just images on a screen. They become experiences that stay with us, shaping our memories and inspiring future travels. Thank you for joining this adventure. May this journey inspire you to keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep finding beauty in every step you take. Because the world is too big to stay in one place, and life is too short not to see the wonders waiting out there.
You say slow